What's up, guys? Today I'm making my lunch. Yeah, I'm super hungry, so this is some noodles, and my dad cooked some eggs. So let's go. And I grabbed some rice too. So let's go. It's already open. So let's go. Let me just put it right over here. Before I put that, let me get the taste test. Good. If you're in the Philippines and you're America, you have to taste this. So good. Let me put this right over here. Let me put here. And let me grab some eggs. Okay, I grab my egg. Okay, let me put that back. Okay, this is all the video because I have a do because we are gonna go to adventure. Not like a venture, like we going to SM. If you don't know SM, just type it in your Google. It's a Philippines mall. Not like regular SM, like a 5-star SM. So I have a join video and always peace and join the group and subscribe. Bye!